Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to check out the TCL S55H S-Class 2.1 channel soundbar, a budget-friendly yet powerful sound system packed with Dolby Atmos DTS Virtual X, a wireless subwoofer, Bluetooth streaming, and Auto Room Calibration for an immersive audio experience. Fire! Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Fire! Unboxing and first impressions. Right out of the box, the TCL S55H looks sleek and premium. The build quality feels solid, and the wireless subwoofer adds to the convenience of setting up a clean, clutter-free home theater experience. Sound quality, truly cinematic? The Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X technology make a huge difference. Whether you're watching an action-packed movie or listening to music, the 3D surround effect creates an immersive soundstage that fills the room. The dialogue clarity is excellent, and the bass from the wireless subwoofer is deep and punchy, perfect for movie nights and gaming. Connectivity and features. White check mark, Bluetooth streaming, easily connect your phone or tablet and play your favorite music wirelessly. White check mark, Auto Room Calibration, the soundbar intelligently adjusts the audio based on your room size for the best experience. White check mark, multiple inputs, includes HDMI ARC, optical, and O for versatile connectivity. Final verdict, should you buy it? If you want a powerful yet affordable sound upgrade, the TCL S55H is a solid choice. The combination of Dolby Atmos, wireless subwoofer, and smart audio tuning makes it stand out in its price range. White check mark, great for movies, music, and gaming. White check mark, easy setup with Bluetooth and HDMI ARC. White check mark, immersive surround sound with deep bass. Collision, check out the best deals in the link below and grab yours today. Collision. Let me know in the comments what you think about this soundbar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome reviews.